This Tiger 11260 air compressor offers a fantastic combination of performance, safety, and value for money. It is a great value compressor, suitable for DIY and trade applications. The 11260, like all of the Tiger range, is perfect for paint spraying, tire inflation, blow cleaning, stapling, and more. It features tank and output pressure gauges, an output air pressure regulator, twin outlets, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tools needs. The 11260's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand, and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This saves energy, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The CE-certified 2 horsepower 1800 watt motor drives a 9.3 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar. The 24-litre air receiver is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. The Tiger 11260 comes complete with wheels, a handle, air filter, regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Clark Tiger 11260 air compressor, the ideal compressor for DIY, hobby and light trade users, for spraying, inflating, blowing, air tools and more.